Guys, it's Mrs. Suderman, and as promised, here is the three equation system of equations that I told you I'd work out and post online, so here it is. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to take the top equation and I'm going to use that one with the third equation. So I'm going to take that first one and I'm going to multiply it by -2. So that way, I'll get -2x plus 2y minus 2z equals 4. And then I will take this third equation and put it here, and I'll get 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals -7. So whenever I add these things straight down, -2x and +2x cancel. I get 2y minus 3y, so that's a -y. And then -2z plus 2z, those cancel as well. So I have equals 4 plus -7 is -3, so y equals 3. So already I have one of my three variables solved. Okay, so in this next part, I'm going to use another pair of equations, and let's see, I can take this first one, and again, if I multiply that by -2, multiply that by -2, again I will get -2x plus 2y minus 2z equals 4. And then I can take that second equation, draw an arrow here, and that's 4x minus y plus 2z equals -3. If I add those together, the -2z and the +2z will cancel, and I get 2x plus y equals +1. Well, I know that y equals 3, so I can plug that in and get 2x plus 3 equals 1. So 2x equals -2, so x equals -1. So I've got -1, I've got 3, so now I need to find z. So I'm going to use that first equation, but I'm going to move the screen down just a little bit. And I'm going to use that equation, move this down a little bit more, x minus y plus z equals -2, where x is -1 minus y, which is 3, plus z, which is what we're looking for, equals -2. So you get -4 plus z equals -2. Therefore, z is equal to 2. So that's just one way you could have solved it. But you could have, anytime you have three variables and three equations, pick a couple of equations, get something to cancel. Pick another pair of equations, get that same thing to cancel. So for example, if we pick the first two equations and we got y to cancel, then the next two equations we choose, we would again want y to cancel, so that those two new equations we have, we can combine to get another answer. Really, the best way to solve these is just the first way that you see fit. You can use elimination, you can use substitution, however. But just take two equations at a time and work with them until you can get things to cancel. And again, combine it with another equation. Okay, well that's it, and I hope that was helpful. Good luck studying for your test tomorrow. Don't forget to review those independent practice problems along with the guided practice problems. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck on your test. Bye.